Now, a lot of you are probably sat there thinking, what am I doing wrong? Why aren't I losing weight? But to answer that, we need to go back and understand why we do cardio in the first place. Cardio isn't for burning fat or burning calories, it's for your health. And cardio doesn't burn as many calories as you might think. So once you start seeing cardio as a tool, your transformation is going to become a lot easier because you're now focusing on the bigger picture. But before we move on, there is one thing that we need to address, and it's your diet. If you're not in a calorie deficit, it doesn't matter how many of these videos that you watch or how much cardio that you do, the weight isn't going to budge either way. So that is why your diet is everything when it comes to weight loss. So now that we've cleared that up, we can start talking about how we can start to use your cardio more effectively. The key here is to use cardio as a secondary tool. It is not the main focus. Think of your cardio as something simmering in the background. It is useful, but it should not take center stage. So there are two main ways that you can approach your cardio. I much prefer method 2, but experiment and just see what works for you. Method 1 is the hard and fast approach, and this is where you would do all of your cardio in one go. So we're talking like 1 to 2 hours in one session. Method number 2 is the little and often approach, and this is what I do. So this is where you would split your cardio into 15 to 30 minute intervals and spread it throughout the day. As you get more experienced along your weight loss journey, you start going to the gym and you start weight training, we can look at incorporating other forms of cardio which are separate from walking. But as that's a little bit more advanced, I'll save it for another video. Now at this point, you're probably sat there watching the video thinking, Matt, you've missed the most important question of the video, and that's, well, what form of cardio should I be doing if I want to lose weight? Well, to answer that, I recommend walking. That's it. It's plain, it's simple, it's easy, and it's effective, and it's a great starting point if you're a beginner who's looking to lose weight. But in order for this to work effectively, you must follow my golden rule. But before I tell you what that is, shameless plug, I have a free weight loss checklist for you. It's going to be linked in the pinned comments of this video, and it's going to take you through all the necessary steps that you're going to need to start your weight loss journey. I've had some great feedback from it, and honestly, it's something that I wish that I had when I first started losing weight. So just enter your email to get it. It will sign you up to my newsletter where I share some more personal weight loss tips, experiences, and advice. And hey, if it's not for you, you can unsubscribe at any time, no hard feelings, and you'll never hear from me again, I promise. Now it's time for the golden rule that I promised you from earlier. And that golden rule is progressively overloading. Basically, just do more than what you did last time. Let's say on Monday, you did 6,000 steps, and on Tuesday, you aim for 7,000. Now, if you're a person who likes setting weekly goals, and maybe week 1, you do around 150 minutes of cardio, and then for week 2, you do around 160, 270, 280, you get the point. Now, if you do everything that I've just mentioned, I'm 100% confident that you'll lose weight much faster than you are now. And speaking of things that move fast, the new year is right around the corner. So if you want to know everything that I would do to get in shape before the start of the new year, I'd watch this.